Kaylee's gonna run through the water in her go-kart. She's already done it once. She's stoked.
See, if I were her, I'd run straight up the middle. She's not gonna.
So gross.
I need to go through the first hole.
I want to get a picture of her. I want to get her. Look at how muddy gross she is. Ew, gross. Ew, how do you feel? Just cold? You feel wet and gross?
All right, well, now you got to air dry yourself.
I think I got a bit of mud in my mouth.
Now you got to air dry yourself.
Oh, shit. Oh, you.
Surely she won't do it again.
I'd watch out. Nice try. She's trying to get us.
Yeah. Oh my God. Kaylee, hold on a second now. I got to get that on camera now. Uh-oh.